Welcome to my channel that name is Current Affair. Today I will discuss economic question from total 100 question. Let's start the question. Which of the following is the largest which of the following is the largest sources of revenue for the government of India? The option are excise duty, income tax, and option C, good and service tax, that is called also GST, and the option last D is called cooperative tax. What will the answer? The answer is option number A, good and service tax. Let's move the next question. The next question is which institute is called the lender of the land last resort in India? SBI, NABARD, RBI, SAB. The answer is option number C, RBI. Let's find the next question. Which body regulates the share market in India? RBI, NABARD, SEBI, SIDBI, CDB. Answer is option number C, SEBI. Let's find the next question. The 5 years plan in India were based on the model of American model, Russian, British, or Japanese model. The answer is option number B, Russian model. Disadvantagement in public sector enterprises means sell for the private sector share, sell for the government equity shares, purchase a government bonds, yeah, nationalization of industries. What will the answer? Let's find the answer. The answer is option number hmm, B, sale for the government equivalent. Question is national income is the net national product of at market price, net national product of a factor cost, gross national product at market price, yeah, gross domestic product of at a factor cost. What will the answer? The answer is option number B, net national product of factor cost. The green revolution in India was related to wheat and rice, sugarcane, tea and coffee, yeah, cotton. What will the answer? The answer is option number wheat and rice. Option number A, which is the largest employment provide sector in India? Industry, service, agriculture, yeah, trade. The answer is option number C, agriculture. Let's find the next question. GDP at the constant price, so inflation, real growth of economic, current market rates, yeah, monitoring value only. The answer is option number B, real growth of economic. Next is which tax is directly imposed on the income and wealth? Sale tax, excise duty, income tax, yeah, custom duty. The answer is option number C, income tax. Let's find the next question. Which organization is known as the Central Bank of India? SBI, RBI, NABARD, yeah, SIDBI. The answer is option number B, RBI. When was the Reserve Bank of India established? 1925, 1935, 1947, yeah, 1950. The answer is option number B, 1935. Question. The next question is what does the GST stand for? General Sales Tax, Good and Service Tax, Government Service Tax, yeah, Gross Sale Tax. The answer is option number B, Good and Service Tax. Which sector contributes the maximum to GDP growth? Agriculture, industries, service, yeah, mining. The answer is option number C, servicing. Let's find the next question. Which is not a part of a primary sector? Farming, mining, banking, या forestry? The answer is option number C, banking. Let's find the next question. Discussed unemployment is the most found in industries, agriculture, banking sector, या IT sector? Answer is option number B, agriculture. Next question. The first industries policy of India was announced in 1948, 1950, 1956, या 1960? Answer option number A, 1948. Next question. Who presents the union budget in the parliament? Prime Minister, Finance Minister, RBI Governor, या President? The answer is option number B, Finance Minister. The 5-year plan in India has been disconnected since 2012, 2014, 2017, या 2019? The answer is option number C, 2017. Next question. What does the FDI stand for? Foreign direct investment, fixed domestic investment, foreign department investment, या facial direct investment? The answer is option number A, foreign direct investment. Who is called the father of green revolution in India? M.S. Swaminathan, Virgis Kuren, या Dr. Rajendra Prasad, या Norman Borlaug? Answer is option number A, M.S. Swaminathan. Next question. White revolution is related to wheat, milk, cotton, या rice? The answer is option number B, milk. Next question. NABARD mainly deal with industrial finance, agriculture finance, international trade, या stock market? The answer is option number B, agriculture finance. Next question. When was the SEBI established as the statutory body? 1985, 1988, 1992, या 2000? Answer is option number C. Tax is known as a regressive tax, income tax, excise duty, wealth tax, या custom duty? The answer is option number B, excise duty. In which year was the LPG policy introduced in India? 1985, 1991, 1995, या 2000? The answer is option number B, 1991. Headquarter of RBI is in Kolkata, New Delhi, Mumbai, या Chennai? The answer is option number C, Mumbai. Let's find the next question. Which one is a direct tax, GST, custom duty, income tax, या service tax? The answer is option number C, income tax. Which Indian plan was called as a Padlik Yojana? Third 5 years plan, second 5 years plan, first 5 years plans, या fourth 5 year plan? The answer is option number A, third 5 years plan. Which Indian state is the largest producer of sugarcane? Punjab, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka? The answer is option number C, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of rice in India? Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, या Bihar? The answer is option number C, West Bengal. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which is the largest producer of wheat in India? Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh? The answer is option number B, Uttar Pradesh. Let's find the next question. The next question is, which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Assam? The answer is option number B, Karnataka. Let's find the next question. Which is the largest producer of tea in India? Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, Karnataka? The answer is option number A. Assam. Let's find the next question. Which crop is known as a golden fiber? Cotton, jute, wheat, sugarcane. The answer is option number B. Jute. Next question. Blue revolution is related to fish production, milk production, oil production, या coal production. The answer is option number A. Fish production. Question. Let's find the next question. Golden revolution is related to pulses, fruits, honey, rice, या tea. The answer is option number B. Fruits and honey. Next question. The Planning Commission of India was replaced by Niti Aayog, Finance Commission, RBI, या SEBI. The answer is option number A. Niti Aayog. Let's find the next question. Niti Aayog was established in 2012, 2014, 2015, 2016. The answer is option number C. 2015. Let's find the next question. Which is the largest public sector bank in India? Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, State Bank of India, या Bank of Baroda? The answer is option number C. State Bank of India. Let's find the next question. What does the MSME stand for? Micro, small and medium enterprises, multi-sector manufacturing enterprises, medium scale market enterprises. The answer is option number A. Micro, small and medium enterprises. Which is the first bank to be nationalized in India? Punjab National Bank, Allahabad Bank of Baroda, या Empire Bank of India? The answer is option number A. Allahabad. How many banks were nationalized in 1969? 10, 12, 14, या 20? The answer is option number C. 14. How many banks were nationalized in 1980? 4, 5, 6, yes, 7. The answer is option number C. 6. Next question. Headquarter of NABARD is in New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, या Kolkata? The answer is option number C. B. Kolkata, Mumbai. Headquarter of SEBI is in Kolkata, Chennai, New Delhi, या Mumbai? The answer is option number D. Mumbai. Let's find the next question. Which tax was abolished after the GST implementation? Excise duty, custom duty, income tax, या professional tax? Answer is option number A. Excise duty. Let's find the next question. The minimum age to open a bank account in India is 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, या 18 years? The answer is option number B. 10 years. Next question. Which organization issue current notes in India? Minister of Finance, Niti Aayog, RBI, या SEBI? The answer is option number C. RBI. Let's find the next question. Which note is not printed by the RBI? 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 100 rupees, या 1 rupees? The answer is option number A. D. 1 rupees. Headquarter of Asian Development Bank ADB is New Delhi, Manali, Washington, and Tokyo. The answer is option number B. Manali. Let's find the next question. Headquarter of World Bank is in New York, Geneva, Washington DC, या Paris? The answer is option number C. Washington DC. Headquarter of IMF is in New York, Washington DC, Geneva, या London? The answer is option number B. Washington DC. Next question. Which is the largest stock exchange in India? BSE, NSE, Kolkata Stock Exchange, Delhi Stock Exchange? The answer is option number B. NSE. Next question. Which is the oldest stock exchange in Asia? NSE, BSE, NSA, NASDAQ, या London Stock Exchange. The answer is option number BSE. Option number B. Headquarter of the World Trade Organization is New York, Geneva, Paris, या London. The answer is option number B, Geneva. Let's find the next question. Headquarter of International Labour Organization is in Geneva, Paris, London, या New York. The answer is option number A, Geneva. Headquarter of Food and Agriculture Organization is in Geneva, Rome, Paris, या London. The answer is option number B, Rome. Next question. Headquarter of United Nations Development Program is in Geneva, New York, Paris, या Washington DC. The answer is option number B, New York. Next question. Which organization publishes the World Development Report? IMF, World Bank, WTO, UNDP. The answer is option number A, B, World Bank. Next question. Which country is India's largest trading partner? USA, China, UAE, या Japan? The answer is option number A, USA. Next question. Which state has the highest literacy rate in India? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Mizoram, Goa. The answer is option number A, Kerala. Which state has the largest forest cover in India? Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha. Answer is option number A, Madhya Pradesh. Let's find the next question. Which state is the largest producer of cotton in India? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, या Haryana? The answer is option number A, Gujarat. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of petroleum in India? Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra, या Rajasthan? The answer is option number D, Rajasthan. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of coal in India? Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal. The answer is option number A, Jharkhand. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of natural gas in India? Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra, या Tripura? The answer is option number B, D, Tripura. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of iron ore in India? Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Odisha, Jharkhand? The answer is option number D, Odisha. Which state is the largest producer of bauxite in India? Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra, या Madhya Pradesh? The answer is option number A, Odisha. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of mica in India? Bihar, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, या Andhra Pradesh? The answer is option number B, Jharkhand. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of gold in India? Rajasthan, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, या Jharkhand? The answer is option number B, Karnataka. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of salt in India? Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Rajasthan, या Maharashtra? The answer is option number B, Gujarat. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of tobacco in India? Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Gujarat, Maharashtra? Answer is option number A, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of spices in India? Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, या Tamil Nadu? The answer is option number A, Kerala. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of silk in India? Karnataka, Assam, West Bengal या तमिलनाडु? The answer is option number A, Karnataka. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of pulses in India? Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. The answer is option number A, Madhya Pradesh. Let's find the next question. Which state is the largest producer of maize in India? Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka या Madhya Pradesh? The answer is option number D, Madhya Pradesh. Which state is the largest producer of onion in India? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat. The answer is option number C, Maharashtra. Which state is the largest producer of potato in India? Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab या Madhya Pradesh? The answer is option number B, Uttar Pradesh. And the next question. The next question is, which state is the largest producer of sugar in India? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka या Punjab? The answer is option number A, Uttar Pradesh. Let's find the next question. Which state is the largest producer of milk in India? Punjab, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh या Rajasthan? The answer is option number C, Uttar Pradesh. Let's find the next question. Which state is the largest producer of eggs in India? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala? The answer is option number B, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of wool in India? Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat या Rajasthan? The answer is option number D, Rajasthan. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of oilseed in India? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra? The answer is option number C, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of horticulture crops in India? West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh? The answer is option number D, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of cashew nut in India? Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa? The answer is option number C, Maharashtra. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of apple in India? Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand या Sikkim? The answer is option number B, Himachal Pradesh. In which state is the largest producer of mango in India? Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra? The answer is option number B, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of grapes in India? Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh? The answer is option number A, Maharashtra. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of papaya in India? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala? The answer is option number C, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of pomegranates in India? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka या Andhra Pradesh? The answer is option number A, Maharashtra. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of coconut in India? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh? The answer is option number B, Tamil Nadu. Which state is the largest producer of pineapple in India? Assam, West Bengal, Tripura या Kerala? Answer is option number C, Tripura. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of jackfruit in India? Kerala, West Bengal, Assam, Bihar? The answer is option number A, Kerala. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of lychee in India? West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, या Assam? The answer is option number B, Bihar. Which state is the largest producer of guava in India? Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, या Madhya Pradesh? The answer is option number A, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of chili in India? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra? This is the last question. Please support and like my channel, and also press the bell icon. The answer is option number which one? Answer is option number B, Andhra Pradesh. Thank you for watching and supporting. Thank you very much. Tomorrow I will discuss the question from 401 to 500. Thank you for supporting and thanks for watching.